Good morning, children. Welcome to a new English lesson. We are going to learn a new lesson, letter lesson from your grade 3 writing practice book. Okay, today is our third class. So we are going to practice out letter C. Okay, we are going to identify letter C, capital C and simple C, and also we are going to learn more and more words starting with letter C, and then we are going to do few activities which are given in your writing practice book. It is going to be a very interesting session. I hope you will enjoy this lesson along with me. Okay, first let us see what is letter C. Okay, we are going to identify capital C. First, we are going to look at capital C. Okay, children, what is this letter? Okay, this is called the capital C. Okay, the capital C, or we can call this as the big C, or we can also call this as the uppercase C. Okay, we can call this letter in three names. What are they? They are capital C or big C, or also we can call this as the uppercase C. Okay, this is the letter C, the big C, the capital C. Okay, so now let us move on to simple C. It is exactly same like this, but it is very small in size. Okay, it is somewhat smaller than this capital C. Look at it. So here this is simple C, or we can call this as the small c or the lowercase c, a bit smaller than the capital C. Okay, this is the small c, or we can call this as the simple C, or we can also call this as the lowercase c. Okay, there are three names for this C. Okay, so we identified capital C and also simple C. Now we are going to learn out how to write this capital C and also how to write this simple C. Let us go through the video tutorial so that it will help you to write this letter very neatly. Okay, so shall we start out the video tutorial? Okay, now here see, first you have to draw from the top to bottom a curve like a round shape. That is capital C. So simple C is like, first you have to start from the top, then you have to make a curve and end up like that. That is simple C. Okay, it is easy to write capital C and simple C. I hope the video tutorial was simple and easy for you children. Now let us see words starting with letter C. Okay, what they have mentioned here is look and say. You have to look at these pictures and you have to say out these words. Okay, you have to pronounce it perfectly. These are the words starting with letter C. Okay, they have given you the capital C and the simple C. Then the first word is cat. Okay, cat, C-A-T, cat. Okay, the second word cup, C-U-P, cup. Okay, cup, C-U-P, cup. You have to listen to me very carefully. Okay, the third picture, what is that children? A cap. Okay, C-A-P, cap, C-A-P, cap. And the fourth picture is a car, C-A-R, car, C-A-R, car. And the fifth picture, the final picture, is a cow, C-O-W, C-O-W, cow. Okay, so I'm going to do the second reading. Listen to me very carefully. Okay, let us see words: cat, cup, cap, car, cow. Cat, cup, cap, Ka, cow. Okay, children. Now you have to read along with me. Okay. Cat, cat. The second word is cup, cup. The third word is cap, cap. Fourth word is car, car. And the final word is cow, cow. Okay, children, I hope the reading is very clear for y'all. You have to read it around 3 to 4 times and practice out perfectly. Okay, right, children, now let us move on to the exercises given in your writing practice book. Okay, read aloud. What is the first exercise? It is to trace the hidden letter and color the picture. Okay, you have to trace out. Okay, trace out the hidden letter. I hope the letter is C. Okay, capital C's and simple C's are there. You have to find out in this picture. You have to trace it out. It is given in the dotted lines. What you have to do is you have to trace the letter and then you have to color the picture. What can you see in this picture? I can see a cow, carrot, and a clown, and also a cat, a cake, and a crab. Okay, all these words are also starting with letter C. Okay, I'm going to repeat it again. I can see a cow, a carrot, two carrots I guess, a crab, a big cake, and a cat, and behind the cat there is a clown. Okay, so all these words are starting with letter C. Okay, so you have to color this picture as well. You have to color it very neatly and you have to finish it out. Okay, okay children, what is the next exercise? You have to write capital C and simple C. Now you know how to write capital C and simple C. It is a very easy letter for you all to write. So you have to finish these lines. Okay, they have kept it empty. What you have to do is you have to write the capital C and also the simple C, and you have to finish this exercise. Okay, let us see the next exercise. Okay, okay, what have they given you? Write capital C and simple C in the boxes. Okay, they have written capital C in the first box and also the simple C in the second box. You have to do it exactly same like that. Okay, you have to fill out these empty boxes with capital C and also with simple C. Okay, let's move on to the next exercise. Okay children, read it aloud. Help the cat to find the cake. Color C in yellow. Okay, help the cat to find the cake. Color C, simple C in yellow. Okay, no, I guess it is capital C's. Okay, you have to color the C, somehow the capital C and the simple C in yellow color. Okay, whatever C is, you have to color it with yellow color. Okay, here what can you see? Here in your right hand corner there is a cat, and in your left hand upper corner can you see a cake? So you have to find out and help the cat to reach the cake. Okay, so what you are going to do is, it is an easy exercise. You are going to color letter C, all the letter C's with yellow, then automatically the cat will reach the cake. Okay, so it is an easy interesting exercise, so you have to finish it out. Okay children, okay, then we are going to move on to the next exercise. Write the missing letter. Okay, so one letter is missing, the first letter of all these words. You have to write it in the capital letter. Okay, so what they have given you here is a cup, cap, and a cat. Okay, what are these in pictures? There are pictures, 3 pictures. For the first one is a cup, then a cap, the last one is a cat. Okay, you have to finish writing these words with the missing letters. Okay, it is an easy exercise. Let's move on to the next part. Okay children, read aloud. Tick a correct mark with the words starting with letter C. They have given you 8 words. Okay, you have to identify letter C words and you have to put a tick in the box given. Okay, what can you see in the first picture? It is a bag. Starts with B sound. B for bag. The second one, C for camera. C for camera. And the third one is a cake. C for cake. Okay, and the fourth picture is a cap. Red cap. Okay, cap. C for cap. And the fifth one is a cup. Brown color cup, right? C for cup. And the sixth picture is a cat. C for cat. Okay, and then the seventh one is a calendar. C for calendar. Okay, and the final picture is a computer given there. Computer also starts with letter C. Okay, I'm going to repeat out the words. You have to read aloud with me. Then you have to identify which are the words that are starting with letter C. Okay, right. Bag, camera, cake, cap, cup, cat, calendar, computer. Okay, you have to identify the C letter words and give it out a tick. Okay, it is an easy exercise. You have to go through with the reading. Okay, the final exercise is from your picture dictionary, my picture dictionary. What they have asked you all to do is you have to paste or draw pictures starting with letter C. Okay, you can either draw pictures starting with letter C, or also you can paste it out. If you have pictures related with letter C, okay, then you can paste it out and you have to write the names of it. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this lesson. I think my explanation was really clear for you all regarding letter C. Let us meet in a new lesson. Until then, goodbye children.